What's up, unearthers? Welcome to my first adventure vlog. We are going on a trip. We got the car packed to the roof. Here we go. I'll show you. She's full to the brim. Back seat's full. Baby's in there. Partner's in there. Let's get in the car and get out of here. Woo. So we're on the road now, guys. It's absolutely pissing down outside. Beautiful day to get out of here. We're heading up the west coast of the South Island of New Zealand. So we live down at the very bottom of the South Island. So we're going to head up the west coast, do some gold mining, fishing, metal detecting on the way up, maybe a bit of diving, and then we're going to head back down the east coast on our way back down. So I don't know what you guys do when you're on a road trip, but I always stop and get myself a sweet treat. Salted caramel donut, baby. Woo! And an oat milk flat white. You cannot beat it. Always got to have a donut while you're driving, or something sweet anyway. It depends what they got at the store. How good is that? So I just thought I'd get out. Last time we came up this way, I did a fishing video, and this right here, I'll just flip you around. This right here is the spot where I caught my big rainbow trout, right there. Second cast down on that rock, second cast out there, monster rainbow trout. How good. If you're coming up the west coast, just out of Makarora, just before the Blue Pools, this is the spot. There are so many bridges on this road, crazy amount. I've only missed a couple of them, but I'm going to show you the rest of them. They're pretty damn awesome bridges out here. It's amazing country, the west coast. Nowhere else like it. So we'll give you a bit of a bridge tour of all the bridges on the way up. Just a quick snippet of each of them. This is the biggest one, the longest one. Bridge. So we've just got here to Ship Creek Walk, guys. I'll show you the sign. There's a bit of a walk out till we lookout spot here. We'll go up for a bit of a look. You can see dolphins and stuff here when it's good weather. Don't know if we'll see them today. Get up there and have a look though. Up the ladder. Whoa. Another one. Here we are at the lookout spot. Now on a nice day you can see dolphins hanging out there, but doesn't look like they're there today. Awesome wee spot, definitely worth a stop if you get the chance on your way through, coming up the west coast. Epic place. You guys eat chips, but this is how I eat chips. Pretty bloody good service on this road trip. How good's that? Don't even have to feed myself. Last little view of the ocean before we head a wee bit further inland. Pretty awesome spot here. Look at how crazy those trees are. All stripped through the middle where the wind rushes through. Bushy on top. Opposite of me. No bush up there. Oh, we're just rolling on up to our Rainforest Retreat here in Franz Josef. How good are these? This vast number 15. Oh, what a spot. So we're just here underneath the car park under our Rainforest Retreat. We'll head on upstairs and see what it looks like. Oh, hey. Look at this place. Oh, who's that in the reflection? Hey, what a spot. Well, the door's locked. Better get the key. Righto, this is our accommodation. That's how we'll be bloody looking here. Rainforest Deluxe Apartments. This place is just sick. Mini bar's complimentary. Ooh, don't mind if I do. Oh, there's baby on the bed. That must be complimentary too. And through to the bathroom. Nice. Pays to splash out sometimes, huh? Yeah, good. And then you come outside, and there's a stunning view. Look at the ferns just outside our bloody, on our balcony. This place is unreal. Righto, time for a forest walk. Come to the West Coast rainforest, you got to go for a walk in the rainforest. Here's the track we're going to do. Terrace walk just out of Franz Josef. Right there. Town is just there. Let's go. No forest like the West Coast forest. So nice out here. I never quite evolved from the monkeys. Check out the canopy in this place. Unreal. Just listen to the trees. Quick wee half an hour walk, but we paid enough for our accommodation. We better get back there and make the most of it. Had my shower, got my robe on, enjoying the view. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next video.